Hello there, my friends, and welcome. Are you wondering, does digital marketing work? Can I really earn a decent living using digital marketing? Well, you're in the right place at the right time. Stick around to the very end because not only will I be sharing with you real time wins that are happening in our community right now as I speak, I actually have an exciting bonus for you. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. I'm originally from Malawi in Southern Africa, currently studying for my degree in business and marketing here in Dublin, Ireland. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money. Back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed. I was so stressed and frustrated. I was sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts and still not having enough time or money to spend with my family. I felt like I was on this hamster wheel going round and round in circles as I lived from paycheck to paycheck. It was not until I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online the right way that everything changed for me. Last year, I came across this proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint that's showing me how to attract my perfect customer using social media. So I no longer have to bother my family and friends. I no longer have to slide sneakily into strangers' DMs. And what I'm loving about this program is even though it was a one-time payment with no monthly subscriptions, I actually get weekly live interactive coaching and mentorship from 6 and 7 figure earners. Now, in this video, I want to share with you our bonus site, right? This is not what you pay for. This is the cherry on top. This is extra. I want to introduce you to our community and share with you some wins that we have. So let me go ahead and share my screen and show you what's going on. So there you go, sharing my screen. So this is our community. We have over 51,500 paid members in our community, and we have this calendar here where, as I said to you, I love that we get live interactive coaching and mentorship from 6 and 7 figure earners, and this is where we get access to it through our calendar. We have mentoring calls on a Monday. We have mentoring calls on a Thursday. I'm just looking at next week here, by the way, right? And we have technical calls, we have onboarding calls here. So we have different live interactive calls, and we also have a classroom. Again, this classroom is extra. It's just a bonus section, right? So we have in the bonus, we have this 90-day runs where our multi-millionaire takes us by the hand for 90 days. She sends us a video, it magically appears here. And today we're on day 71, where she goes through sometimes mindset, sometimes skill sets. It's an average of 5 minutes long. And at the end of it, she gives us assignments to do, right? So this helps us stay accountable, stay focused on what we have to do to build our business. We have mindset training to help us get rid of those thinking, and content vault where we could download the content and upload onto our social media. We have mentoring calls. Let me show you here. So here's where I can get access to the past recordings. And here I missed this one. So once I watch this, I'm going to take to say I've watched it, right? So this one is about sharing your story, right? Michelle teaching us how to share our story, and social media training, and so on and so forth. But what I really want to do is I want to answer the question, does this work for different types of people? And the answer is yes. Like, I'm going to go to the win section, and Alana here says $100 yesterday, right? $100 today. Just returned from wherever that was, and had 2 new mummies join this amazing life-changing business, right? So that's absolute congratulations to Alana. Kenny, 60 minutes ago, 5,500 in 2025 from our program. I made 5,500 from this program and 10,000 plus from other offers that he has, right? So far this year. I'm going to focus on the wins. Scott, $900 Friday night, sitting at Wendy's, eating with the family, and boom, a $900 ding came in. He said, Dan, we could eat whatever steak, right? So Dan, an hour ago, $600 while he was sleeping. He says he loves this blueprint. And let me see. I'm looking for financial wins because people are posting different types of wins. Zenley made 202 $100 sales dings while she was going to bed. So dings are notifications on the phone, right? Winham and Alana, another $600 in the bag. They're in South Africa. That's 11,000 rands, South African rands. Jessica, 24 hours ago, love opening my phone after being on air mode and seeing a $900 sale. Congratulations. Han, happy 7 month of being digital marketing. He's earned over $270 in sales, and he became a full-time dad and digital marketer by the grace of God and his beautiful wife. Okay, he's generated over $270 in sales. So I'm sure you can see here that yes, digital marketing works if you can follow a proven step-by-step blueprint, if you can get access to live interactive coaching and mentorship calls every single week, and if you can get access to a thriving community of like-minded entrepreneurs who are there to lift you up, motivate you, support you in any way that they can. Now this year, I'm fired up because I'm on a mission to work really, really closely with 150 moms to help them launch and grow a successful digital business for explosive growth in 2025. So if you would like to learn more about our proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint, type blueprint in the comments. Actually, click the link in the description and claim your freedom formula blueprint, right? So when you claim this blueprint, I'm going to deliver it to your email. Check your spam folder, promotion folder. And once you've actually got the blueprint, watch the videos on the blueprint and then respond to my email. Let's have a conversation because I'm here to help you make an informed decision. Now, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.